Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about food spoilage. So basically the principle of food spoilage is microbial growth can result with the microbial food spoilage, desirable product or release of extracellular and intracellular enzymes. Spoilage can also occur due to action of microbial enzymes in the absence of visible cells. Spoilage of different types of food result with change in color, odor, texture, formation of slime, accumulation of gases, etc. Food spoilage is decay or decomposition of food which is not accepted by consumer. The criteria for the acceptability of food are: first is the desired state of maturity, another one freedom from pollution, freedom from objectionable biological, chemical, and physical changes resulting from action of food enzymes, activity of microbes, insect, rodents, and damages, etc. Freedom from microorganism and parasite causing foodborne illness. Major causes of food spoilage. There are various causes of food spoilage such as physical, chemical, microorganism, and others. So the physical one is temperature, humidity, related humidity, light, and mechanical damages. Causes of food spoilage are enzymatic reaction, non-enzymatic reaction, rancidity, chemical interactions. Microorganisms which are responsible for food spoilage are bacteria, fungi, yeast, molds. Other are insect, rodents, animal, birds that also cause food spoilage. Now we are going to classify food on the basis of stability. So first one is highly perishable food. It is not preserved. There is no preservation applied for these food items. The quality retention time is about 1 to 3 days. Examples: fish, raw milk, eggs, fruits, vegetables, etc. Semi perishable food. So these foods are preserved uh, for salt, pasteurization of milk and egg products, and refrigerated. The quality retention time is about 1 to 3 weeks. Semi shelf stable food. Two or more preservation process can be used, such as vacuum packaging the cooked meat product. The quality retention time for semi shelf stable food is about 1 to 4 months. And the last one is self stable food, that is also called non perishable food, highly processed such as vegetable, dry milk products with a quality retention time of 1 year or more. Types of agent causing food spoilage are growth activity of microbes, insect, rodents, animals, action of enzymes, purely chemical reaction in the food such as oxidation and browning, physical changes caused by freezing, burning, drying, pressure, etc. Presence of force material in the food such as heavy metals, toxins, etc. Presence of parasite and their eggs. Microbial food spoilage. Microbial food spoilage is caused by microorganisms. Factor affecting food spoilage are kind and number of microbes in food, food residue, moisture content, time, temperature, physical state and structure of food, etc. Metabolism of food, nutrition, and chemical changes. So basically they are divided into two categories: metabolism of nitrogenous compound, and second one is metabolism of non nitrogenous compound. Metabolism of nitrogenous compound includes the nitrogen in food is present in the form of protein, microbial, extracellular, proteaginous hydrolysis, protein to polypeptides, simple peptides, and amino acids. Peptides give bitter taste and the decomposition of proteins and amino acid may result in the production of odor is called putrefaction. It results in foul smelling sulfur containing products. These are hydrogen, methyl and ethyl sulfides, etc. Metabolism of non nitrogenous compounds. So these are carbohydrates, organic acids, lipids and other compounds. Non microbial food spoilage includes chemical spoilage and enzymatic spoilage. Chemical spoilage includes the Maillard reaction occur between a carboxyl compound like a reducing sugar and an amine like an amino acid, peptides and proteins. Decolorization of sulfase of red meat is caused by a non-enzymatic reaction, oxidation of myoglobin to metamyoglobin. Enzymatic food spoilage. The enzymes of banana cause maturation and color change, ripening and softening of fruit. Bacteria also provide enzymes. Enzymes in vegetable can be inactivated by bleaching or their activities can be decreased at cold temperature below 4 degrees Celsius. Preservation techniques for food spoilage are heat preservation, canning, freezing, refrigerating, drying, fermenting, curing, irradiation, aseptic packaging. So this is all about the food spoilage and their preservation. So thank you.